గజిబిజి గణితాన్ని గజిబిజి లేకుండా చెప్పడమే మా లక్ష్యం. దానికి మీరు చేయవలసింది మా శ్రీలత కొత్త మ్యాథ్స్ క్లబ్లో జాయిన్ కండి. మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. Look at this problem. Consider a triangle PQR, right angle at R, in which PQ is equal to 29 units, QR is equal to 21 units, and PQR is equal to theta. Then find the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta, and second one is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, is it clear? Consider a PQR triangle. This one is a PQR triangle. Right angle at R. Right angle means 90 degrees angle is the right angle. This one is the 90 degrees angle. This is the R. Okay. Next, I will take this one is P and this one is the Q. On this place, angle PQR is equal to theta. Theta means angle PQR is equal to theta means angle Q is equal to theta. Angle Q is equal to theta. Why I will take angle Q is equal to theta? For example, I will given QPR is equal to theta. That's mean angle P is equal to theta. Okay. For example, I will take PRQ is equal to theta. Then that's mean angle R is equal to theta. Then this angle PQR mean angle Q is equal to theta. Middle place is the angle. Okay, are you understand? This is the angle Q is equal to theta. PQ is given 29 units. PQ is the given 29 units. And other one QR is also given. That one is 21 units. 21 units. And not given is the PR. Two sides is given, third side is not given on this problem has. Then right angle opposite is always hypotenuse. Okay, is it clear? Right angle opposite is always hypotenuse. I will see from the angle Q. Why? Because I will see from the Q, that is the on that place is theta is there. The problem answers is solutions is also theta. Question is also theta. Cos square theta find out చేయాల్సిన question కూడా theta లో ఉంది కాబట్టి మనం I will see from the theta Q. Q opposite is this one. Q quite opposite is this one. This is the opposite. Opposite means perpendicular. And other side is the adjacent. Adjacent means base. That's why is it clear? Hypotenuse is there 29 units. And adjacent is there 21 units. Opposite is not there. That's why I will take the Pythagoras formula. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse whole square is equal to hypotenuse whole square is equal to opposite whole square plus adjacent whole square is the Pythagoras theorem. It's an important theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse whole square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Hypotenuse is given. That is the 29 whole square. And next opposite is not given. Find out here value opposite. Opposite is opposite whole square plus adjacent is 21 units. 21 square. Then 29 square is equal to 841. Is equal to opposite square plus 21 whole square is equal to 441. Okay. Next, are you see opposite whole square is plus 441 is equal to 841. I will find the values opposite. Then opposite square is equal to 841 minus 441. Then that is equal to 400. Opposite is equal to root of 400. That is equal to root of 20 into 20. That is equal to root of 20 square. Square root cancel. Then opposite is equal to 20. Okay, opposite value is 20 units. Opposite is 20 units. Okay, hypotenuse is there, adjacent is there, opposite is there. Find the cos square value. Find the cos theta value. What is the cos theta? I will clearly explain P, B, P, H, H, B. Pari bag lo penunda. Ha babu. This is the sine, this is the cos, this is the tan. Cos mean B by H. Cos theta is equal to B by H. B mean base. Base mean adjacent. Adjacent is equal to base mean adjacent. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is equal to 21 by hypotenuse is equal to 29. Okay. Next sin theta value. Next sin theta value. Sin theta is equal to pari bag lo penunda babu. P by H. P by H. P mean opposite by H mean hypotenuse is equal to opposite is 20 by hypotenuse is 29. Okay, is it clear? Next, on this place cos square theta. Then cos theta is equal to 21 by 29. Then cos square theta is equal to 21 by 29 whole square. 21 by 29 whole square. That's mean 441 by 841. Okay. Next, sin theta is equal to 20 by 29. Then sin square theta is equal to 20 by 29 whole square. 20 whole square mean 400 and 29 whole square mean 841. First problem is cos square value is there and sin square value is there. Find the cos square theta plus sin square theta. The first is the cos square theta plus sin square theta. Then cos square theta value is 441 by 841 plus sin square value is 400 by 841. That mean LCM is same. Denominator plus is 841 same. That mean LCM is 841. Then 441 plus 400 is equal to 841 by 841. 841 by 841 cancel 1. That is the cos square theta plus sin square theta value is 1. Is it clear? Then next second one is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, cos square theta is equal to 441 by 841 minus sin square theta means 400 by 841. On this place LCM is same. 841. Then 441 minus 400. That is equal to 41 by 841. This is the answer. Okay, is it clear? Okay. Plus, I will explain from once more. Consider a triangle PQR. This is the triangle PQR. And this triangle has right angle is R. Right angle is R. And other angles, this one is P, this one is Q. Then PQ is equal to 29 units and QR is equal to 21 units. Angle theta, theta is equal to angle Q. Angle Q is equal to angle theta. Angle Q is equal to theta. Then find the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta and cos square theta minus sin square theta. ఫస్ట్ ఈ ప్రాబ్లంలో మనకి ఇచ్చినటువంటి దాంట్లో ఇది మనకి ఇచ్చేసిండు, రెండు ఇచ్చేసిండు అంటే హైపోటెనస్ వచ్చేసింది, మనకు అడ్జసెంట్ వచ్చేసింది. మనకి పైథాగరస్ థీరం ప్రకారం ఆపోజిట్ అనేది మనం ఈజీగా కనిపెట్టవచ్చు. వాట్ ఇస్ పైథాగరస్ థీరం? హైపోటెనస్ స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ ఆపోజిట్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ అడ్జసెంట్ స్క్వేర్ అనేది మనకు చేసి వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఆపోజిట్ అనేది మనకు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సింది. హైపోటెనస్ అనేది మనకు 29 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఇచ్చేసిండు, ఆపోజిట్ ఆపోజిటే, ప్లస్ అడ్జసెంట్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 21 హోల్ స్క్వేర్. Then 29 whole square is equal to 29 into 29 is equal to 841 is equal to opposite square plus 21 whole square is equal to 21 into 21 is equal to 441. Then దీన్ని మనం యువత సైడ్ తీసుకొని దాన్ని అట్లా రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఇటువంటి రాసిన కూడా దాని వాల్యూ అనేది చేంజ్ ఏమీ కావట్లేదు కాబట్టి మ్యాథమెటికల్ ఫండమెంటల్ థియరం ప్రకారం ఆపోజిట్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 441 is equal to 841 అయిపోతుంది. ఆపోజిట్ స్క్వేర్ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సింది కాబట్టి 441 is equal to అవతల వైపు తీసుకెళ్తే అంటే 441 is goes to the is equal to outside. That value is plus value is goes to the minus value. 841 minus 441 is equal to 400. Opposite is equal to opposite square is equal to 400. Then opposite is equal to root 400. What is the root 400? Root 400 is equal to root of 20 into 20. Root of 20 into 20 is equal to root of 20 square. Square root cancel 20. Opposite is the 20 units. Opposite is 20 units there. Hypotenuse is 29 units there, and adjacent is 21 units there. Then find the cos theta value. Cos theta is equal to b by h, base by h. Base means adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is 21 units. Adjacent is 21 units by opposite hypotenuse is 29 units. Then cos theta is equal to 21 whole square means 21 into 21 441. 29 whole square is equal to 29 into 29 841. And next sin theta is equal to p by h. P means opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is 20 units by hypotenuse is 29 units. Then sin square theta is equal to 20 by 29 whole square. Then 20 square is equal to 20 into 20 400. 29 whole square is equal to 29 into 29 841. Then first find the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta. First one is cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta value is there 441 by 841 plus means plus. Sin square theta value is there 400 by 841. On this denominator plus is 841 is there. Then LCM is 841. LCM is 841. 441 plus 400 is equal to 841 by 841. 841 1 ja, 841 1 ja. 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Sin cos square theta plus sin square theta value is 1. Then next cos square theta minus sin square theta value. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos square theta value is there 441 by 841 minus sin square theta value is there 400 by 841. Then LCM is same, denominator plus is same. Then LCM is 841. 400 minus 8 minus 441 minus is minus 400 is 400. 441 minus 400 is 41 by 841. This is the cos square theta minus sin square theta value. Okay, is it clear? I will go to the next problem.